Hi, it's Gary Bourne at Royal LePage, Sussex, and welcome to my North Vancouver real estate review for June 2021. Well, can you believe it? We're more than halfway through the year already. The temperatures are hot, and so is the real estate. Let's take a look. Okay, for detached, we had 120 sales, which was 43% up year over year, and about 9% up over the 10-year average. For new listings, there are 182, which is about 3% down from last year and about the same as the 10-year average. Total listings, there were just 264, which is 23% lower than a year ago and 32% below the 10-year average. With townhouses, we had 59 sales. That's 51% up year over year and 251% above the 10-year average. There were 71 new listings, which was down 9% over the past 12 months and up 22% over the 10-year average. And with total listings, just 73, which was down 36% over the past year and down 30% over the 10-year average. Moving on to apartments, there are 135 sales, which was 23% up over the past 12 months and 30% above the 10-year average. We had 187 new listings, 24% down year over year, and about 10% above the 10-year average. Total listings, just 270 apartments for sale, 28% lower than year over year, and 27% down over the 10-year average. Okay, so next we're going to look at the sales to active ratio, keeping in mind between 12 and 20% represents a balanced market. So here you can see all three categories are firmly into the seller's market, with townhouses showing the highest market at just under 81%. So let's take a look at how the supply and demand forces are going to be affecting the prices. With detached, we ended up just over 1.9 million, which was 22% up over the last 12 months, and about 12% of that increase was just in the last 6 months. Townhouses ended up at 1.116, which was 13.6% above year over year. And most of that gain you can see took place in the last 6 months, 10.8%. And then finally with apartments, it ended up at 657,500, which was about 12% up year over year and about 9.3% up over the last 6 months. All right, so there you have it. In terms of prices going up, anecdotally, we're certainly finding that the number of competitive offers is probably down somewhat over the last few months. Let's take a look at how that shook out. Looking at what I've been doing over the last 4 months is calculating the number of sales that are at or over the list price. So you can see that over the last 4 months, with detached, the number of sales at or over listing price has gone from 76 down to 54%. And with townhouses, we've gone from 68, staying pretty much the same. It was up in April and May and just down a little bit in June, so still really strong at 70%. And with apartments, we've gone from 59% down to about 47% of the offers sold at or over list price. All right, so I would expect probably for the balance of the summer, maybe sales off a little bit, but still really strong. A lot of people are taking advantage of the summer holiday months, and buyers are, quite frankly, getting buyer fatigue, getting frustrated with the number of offers that are going into competition and the rapid price increase. So there you have it. If you need any further information, please be in touch. Love to hear from you. Gary Bourne at 604-787-9418. Take care. Have a great summer.